This, ladies and gentlemen, is the DIY Shimmering Liqueur. Look at that shimmering going on there. So we start off with some Sauvignon Blanc. Okay, we'll put that in our glasses. Beautiful. Now, to one glass, we're gonna add some sour apple pucker. And then some melon liqueur. So this is the green one. You see what we're doing here? The other one, we're gonna add some vodka. Beautiful. And then some strawberry pucker, which is gonna give us a nice red. And then you know the next one's blue, so you know it's coming. Blue raspberry vodka, not that. That's not what I was thinking of. That's right, my boy, Blue Curacao in the house. The party doesn't start till Blue shows up, okay? Now we come behind that with luster dust. Some people call it pearl dust. You can find this at your arts and crafts store. You shake that in, and that's just gonna drop to the bottom, and it's sparkly, it's edible, okay? And you just swirl that around, and it just lights up, okay? Just creates this what would you call that? I don't know, that shimmering look, okay?